Welcome everybody to our show. This is Custom Fab Garage on our channel Octane TV on YouTube. Make sure you go down below and hit that subscribe button, and on top of that, make sure that you hit the notification bell so that you can get all the new content that comes out weekly and even every day.
We're going to be doing these front door panels of this Ram 1500. Front door panels and rear panels are pretty similar. What we're going to do is we're going to take all these out with the Torx T20, and then basically when you take this front part out, there's a clip behind it that pulls out, and there's a few of them. If you look down here, oh, they're missing one there, and we got one here, and then we got one there. And here's what it'll look like when you take the T20 out of the middle of this. You just pull that out, and then this will come out. It's kind of like a push pin style. Next step we're going to do is we're going to remove this piece right here that goes above right here. I usually try to get it up here in the corner, and then pull this off, and then boom. And that's what it looks like behind right there. Kind of slides down into this bottom piece and then snaps in, and they're missing a screw. There's usually a big number 3 screw right here, but they're missing that for some weird reason. That's kind of scary. Next part we're going to do is we're going to remove this piece right here because it makes it a whole lot easier to be able to get the door panel off. We just took our plastic pry tool, basically pull that off. It just makes it a whole lot easier to be able to get the door panel off when you have this piece off of here. And then our next step we're going to do is we're going to go over here to this piece, and then we're going to take our plastic pry tool, kind of get down in here, and just very so gently pull those 2 clips out, and boom, we have that piece off. So basically you're going to need to remove this piece, and then this piece right here, and then obviously the number 3 screw, but I don't have it in this particular door panel for some weird reason. Next step we're going to do once we get everything removed is we're going to pull up, and then this whole door panel will come off, and then should have done that. I don't know what I just did, but it's been hit unlock. I don't know why that just did that. But then we need to disconnect this and pull this piece out right here. What I'll typically do is I'll push this out. That way it's easier to be able to get to this clip right here, and that way I can unplug it. What you want to do is pull this red piece up like that, and then push down on this part right here with your thumb. This clip will come out, and then boom, you are disconnected. Here's the back of the door panel. It is all pull-up pieces. So these hangers right here hang down into the door panel. So you don't pull out, you pull up. These are what those hangers sit down in there and just sit down into those pockets. So don't ever pull out on a Ram or a Durango panel. You want to pull up. Here's our 6x9 right here. We have 5mm bolts all the way around, just like all the other speakers. And we're going to take this 6x9 out of here. We're going to have 4 of these we're going to take out with the 5mm head. We're going to put those up here with all the other bolts. And then here's the 6x9. We're going to pull that out. Oh wow, look at that magical bad boy. Takes me back to the 90s. Look at that little tiny magnet. So we're going to unplug this by pushing this right here. Here's the difference in magnet sizes, construction. Basically looking at it from the back side, it's just totally different speaker. Huge upgrade. Here's the difference from the top. You got a dual cone paper speaker. This one's made out of butyl rubber, plastic, multi-tweeter, mid. Right here, look at the magnet size difference. Look at the construction difference. Just totally different speaker. Just a way way better built speaker by far. Way better sound quality by far as well. And longevity, and can handle a lot more power. These are the speaker harnesses that we're going to use, which is a 726514R. These are for most Chrysler vehicles, Dodge vehicles, you know, Ram vehicles. These will work for the speakers. They also make them in Red Wolf, also Metra brand. We'll put a link down in the description below, so you can basically buy these and everything will now become plug and play. You will no longer need to cut wires, hack wires, T-tap wires. You will plug this into the harness, plug this into the speaker. It's all become plug and play. Don't ever cut your harnesses off, ever. Got it all bolted in. It's kind of a pain in the butt. You want to push them in one at a time, just slow, and then just keep slowly, gradually putting them in, because these are so big to fit in these holes. But everything went in. I would not advise going one hole, one hole, one hole. I put it in like 20%, 20%, 20%, 20%, keep going all the way around until you get it finally where it pulls itself in there level.